everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Tariq, and also my Facebook Reels, Facebook page, and Messenger. As you can see the background, these are flowers of G1 garlics, and also you can see the white flowers, that is coriander leaves. So many kinds of flowers of G1 garlics here. Now it's ready to harvest now because it's already totally open, those flowers of G1 garlics. Now this already totally open because this cover, it's already removed by self. Ayan. Ayan. So before we harvest, or before we have to remove this one, I have to make tour. But 2 days ago, that place over there, it's already harvested, and also today here. So we're going there. Just now I come here down, I bring tea for my husband and his cousin. So they remove already there, but first I have to show you first this flower. Ayan. Oh, punta tayo doon. Very nice to see, diba? Ayan. Ayan, o, tingnan nyo ang nice. Ayan, ang ganda. Then this one, flowers, you can make this one for seeds, but no need to make this one for seeds because we have already tubers of this one, so we have to plant, and also there is also baby seeds of these tubers. Ayan, every puno, every tree or every plant merong flowers. Merong flower. Ayan. So itong one flower, ang daming seeds nito. Ayan, oh, ang ganda tingnan. Yung doon banda na na harvest na yung doon, oh. 2 days ago. Yun, nakikita yung stock niyan. So ito yung after doon dito naman susunod na i-harvest. And then doon sa baba, konti lang yung doon sa baba. Pero marami din yan. Ayan. Meron din dito na nakahalo na mga coriander leaves with flowers and so many seeds. Ayan po, pag nag-dry na ito, pwede na ito itanim din, binhe, and then you can use also this one for cooking, especially for any kind of curry. Ayan, oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo ito. Ayan. Ayan, dito nung 2 to 3 days ago yata, dito kami nag-harvest nila kayo ng yung ordinary or normal garlics. So ayan, nataniman na uli. Ayan, oh. Ayan, may linya-linya na, may turnips, may carrots, may radish, at saka ano pa ba yung tinanim nila kay dito, yung fenugreek at saka rosemary. So ayan dito banda. So ito naman yung hinarvest 2 days ago. Ayan, ito yung G1 garlics. Ito yung inuna dito. Ayan, ito yung mga flowers. Ayan. Ngayon, time now in Pakistan is 5:30 p.m. and today is Saturday, and today is June 1. June 1 pala ngayon. Bilis ng araw. Nag-goodbye na pala ang May 2024. So, June na naman. Ayan, ito mga G1 garlics. Ito yung mga na-harvest. Punta tayo doon. Ayan, ito yung mga na-harvest dito. Ayan. Ayan, may mga baby seeds na naka-attach. Ayan, oh. May mga patatas din dito. Ayan, patatas. Ayan, mga babies. Daming babies na naka-attach, oh. Ayan. Every tuber of G1 garlics may naka-attach na. How many seeds there? One tuber of G1 garlics, how many baby seeds attached? Maybe 10? Maybe 5 or 6 or 10 like that. Ayan, oh. Ito yung mga baby seeds na naka-attach. So ito naman yung yung 2 days ago na unang hinarvest. Dito na nilagay. Yan yung dalawang namin, oh. Babae at saka lalaki, ito yung isa namatay. After 1 day na dineliver, namatay. So ito na yung yung 2 days ago na hinarvest. Ayan, may mga baby seeds din. Ayan. Malalaki ang ngipin nito compare sa sa native na garlics. So ayan, ito naman ang dito sa baba na G1 garlics. Ayan. Yellow na din, kaya dapat na i-harvest na. Kasi na din, bumuka na yung mga flowers niya. Flowers ng G1 garlics. Ayan. Yan yung mga mais namin. Ayan. Yan, dami din dito coriander seeds. Malapit na ito ma-dry, matuyo. Kaya marami na din kaming pang tanim. Ayan, may fenugreek leaves dito. Ayan, may coriander leaves. So ayan. Ito naman yung mga kaming na mga tomatoes. Ayan, oh. Nilagyan nila kay ng yung abo. Ayan, mashallah, itong kamatis, oh. Tataba. Ayan, merong dito yung patola. Ayan. Yung kamatis doon may flowers na. One is very healthy. One is is walking very fast, and this one always he's sick. But it's okay na. Now they drink milk, I think. So they are happy. Yan yung Rawlakot, meron pang doon, sikat ng araw sa Rawlakot City. Yung maraming buildings dyan. These are flowers of G1 garlics. Every plant and every tubers of G1 garlics, there are flowers of G1 garlics. And also over there down, that is also G1 garlics flowers.